In a large skillet, add a drizzle of oil and the ground beef. Break it up and spread it out so it cooks evenly. I'm using ground beef, but pork or a mix of both works great too. Cook it on high for about 3 minutes until the beef is browned. Once the beef is cooked, go in with the taco seasoning and a little salt. This is where all the flavor comes in. Give it a good mix and let it cook for about a minute to toast the spices. No taco seasoning? No problem. Just use chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and paprika. It works just as well. After about a minute, add the rest of your ingredients: rice, beef broth, chunky salsa, black beans, and corn. Everything goes in, super easy, and barely any cleanup. Give everything a good mix, then let it cook over medium heat for about 20 minutes. This is where all the flavors come together. You'll find all the ingredients and exact measurements down in the description box. After about 20 minutes, the rice will have absorbed the beef broth and all those flavors. This is when it really starts to come together. Once the rice is fully cooked, it's time for the best part: shredded cheddar cheese. This is what makes it so good. Now, cover it and let the cheese melt slowly. This is where it gets really good. While the cheese melts, tell me, where are you watching from today? I love seeing you guys watching from all over the world. And don't lie, you're getting hungry just watching this, right? This is the kind of meal you can make any day of the week. Super easy, loaded with flavor, and all in one pan. No mess, no hassle. Once the cheese is fully melted, uncover it, and it's ready to enjoy. You can eat it just like this or turn it into tacos. Your call.